office and you're finding that you're tightening up, which we all do after long hours on keyboards, we need to be mindful of little stretch tips that we can use that actually assist us through our working day. So very easily, these pec muscles, your chest muscles, will tighten up, and this is probably the easiest way to work on them. We can put a hand on the side of our computer screen, and all we do is we just turn our body. From here, we can feel a stretch through the chest, but this is the tip. Turn your head as well, and hold that stretch there for a good 10 to 20 seconds. I've had my thumb up. The second time is thumb down, and repeat the process. And you'll get a beautiful stretch, not only in the pec muscles, the chest muscles, but also down the arm. Do that once or twice a day.